Bah allez, c'est parti. Avec des petites souris. On va aller faire quelques wheelings.
Yeah. Yeah, Lila. Question about my time, boy, I've been on the way. Hit the salsa in my slippers, what you figured out and got it made. Oh, you heard a single bet, you hit the play. Trend said I don't wear your logo, let's get paid. Heard you popping on the grandma, you not getting plays. Got the might as well go drop another just to separate. Shackles at the ocean, now they on my wave. I just dug a little deeper for the feature just to ease the pain. Still the same projections as in 7th grade. I just grew up, only time I'm not progressing when I fall asleep. Yeah, and it's at petrol. Ay, I hit the gas and then I leave them weak. Ay, they got me pretzel. Yeah, they twist my words about every time we speak. Ay, I only call it like I see it. I've been running circle round them, then they won't have my
L'isopaïne transforme-les en...
Oh putain! Ah là là, c'est ça qui vaut, putain! Ah la 6ème! Ah. Je suis passé en 6ème devant toi! Waouh!
Question about my time, boy, I've been on the way. Hit the salsa in my slippers, what you figured out and got it made. Oh, you heard don't wear your logo, let's get paid. Heard you popping on the grandma, you not getting plays. Got the might as well go drop. I just dug a little deeper for the feature just to ease the pain. Still the same projections as in 7th grade. I just grew up, only time I'm not progressing when I fall asleep. Yeah, and it's at petrol. Ay, I hit the gas and then I leave them weak. Ay, they got me pretzel.
Bien toi.
Question about my time, boy, I've been on the way. Hit the salsa in my slippers, what you figured out and got it made. Oh, you heard a single bet, you hit the play. Trend said I don't wear your logo, let's get paid. Heard you popping on the grandma, you not getting plays. Got the might as drop another just to separate. Shackles at the ocean, now they on my wave. I just dug a little deeper for the feature just to ease the pain. Still the same projections as in 7th grade. I just grew up, only time I'm not progressing when I fall asleep. Yeah, and it's at petrol. Ay, and I leave them weak. Ay, they got me pretzel. Yeah, they twist my words about every time I speak. Ay, I only call it like I see it. I've been running circle round them, then they won't have my ideas. I pray the Lord have mercy. I pray the Lord have mercy. I pray the Lord have mercy, 'cause I don't let him hurt me. I pray the Lord have mercy. I pray the Lord.
Ah, c'est tellement dur. Ah là là, c'est facile. Hein. Pour ceux qui me diront change ton embrayage, il est mort. Ouais, je sais, je vais le changer. Mais bon, en ce moment on fait avec les moyens du bord, vous voyez. Je vais vous laisser. J'espère que la vidéo vous aura plu, le montage et tout ça. Voilà, donc c'est le premier, entre guillemets, vlog un peu avec du montage. Donc on va se quitter sur une petite bavette et voilà, allez, n'hésitez pas à vous abonner, à liker si ça vous a plu bien sûr. Et voilà, allez, ciao.